Welcome to the Weekly Math Challenge. This week, I challenge you to solve some in the balance puzzles. We tried a few of these during week 7 of our math challenges. This week, let's try some more. Ask your teacher for an answer sheet. Take a look at puzzle 5. Mess around for a few minutes on your own, with your class, or with a partner. Can you figure it out? How far can you get? Pause the video here while you give it a go. Then, when you are ready, listen in on how I reason through to an answer.
Hi puzzle fans, I'm back with puzzle 5. I'm going to see if I can figure this one out too. I'm going to read the clues here. Discover the value of each of the shapes. The total weight is 80. Only one shape weighs more than 9, and we have a couple additional clues at the bottom. This double triangle plus 1 is the square, and this triangle is less than the hexagon. Okay, I'm going to start with that total weight is 80. I'm looking up here at the top. I see 2 arms in balance, so one side has to be 40, and the other side has to be 40 because 40 plus 40 is 80. I'm going to move down here. I see 2 arms in the balance again. Their total is 40, so this side has to be 20, and this side 20. And I have 2 arms in the balance here. The total is 20. Each of these shapes, because they are the same, must be 10. All right, back over here. This total is 20. 2 arms in the balance. I have 10 here and 10 here. This total is 10. 2 arms in the balance. 5 here and 5 here. There's only one shape here, the circle. It has to be 5. Now, I have this square and the double triangle. Their total is 5. That reminds me of my clue here at the bottom. It says the double triangle plus 1 is the square. So there's only one possibility here. This square has to be 3, and this double triangle has to be 2. All right, square is 3. I can fill that in over here. And 3 plus something makes 10. This has to be 7. All right, I have this whole side figured out. I got to move over to the other side. And the first thing I'm going to do is any of the shapes from this side that I figured out that repeat over here, I'm going to fill in. That's going to help me a lot. I have this square is 3. What else do I see? I have this circle is 5. It's got to be something else. This double triangle is 2. Okay, I think that's everything. This is going to help me a lot because I can work backwards. On this side, I start at 40 and I work my way down. And from here now, I could see a path to the top, so that's going to help me a lot. 5 and 2 make 7. That means this arm is 7 and this arm is 7. I'm going to come back to that. 7 and 7 is 14, plus 3 makes 17. Because it's in the balance with this side, this arm has to be 17 as well. 17 and 17 make 34. The total is 40. So this spot here is going to have to be 6. I see that shape repeated down here. If this shape is 6 and the total is 7, this one has to be 1. Almost all figured out. One more arm right here. I see my total is 17, and my first reaction is 10 plus 7, but that's not going to work because it says only one shape weighs more than 9. I already have a shape that's 10, so it can't be that. So I'm going to try something else. How about 9 and 8? That would make 17. I don't see any other shapes that are 9 and 8, but which is which? We have our clue down here at the bottom. It tells us the triangle is less than the hexagon, That means this one would be 9 and this one would be 8. Figured it out. You try too.
Okay, that was a reminder of how these puzzles work. Now you're on your own. Try the 2 puzzles on the back of the challenge sheet. Use a pencil so you can test, revise, and adjust. Good luck and have fun with the In the Balance puzzles this week.